Long-term sustainable weight loss is within your reach. Forget all the fad, gimmick diets, and expensive pharmaceuticals. The key to long-term weight loss is simple. You lose weight by reducing daily calories while still enjoying great tasting food that you love. To make this happen, you need to find great tasting low-calorie recipes that are easy for you to prepare. You need a tool like Eating Love to connect you with endless low-calorie recipes perfectly matched to your personal preferences and your palate. Whatever your preferred cuisine, dietary goal, allergy, or dietary restriction, you'll find great tasting low-calorie recipes to match exactly the foods you're craving. Weight loss is a journey, and great tasting, easy to prepare meals will make this journey so much easier. So many people give up on their weight loss journey because of bland food or difficult meal planning. There's no need to sacrifice great taste. You simply need recipes that excite your taste buds while slimming your waistline. An Eating Love membership is only $5 per month, which is nothing compared to your health and well-being. Long-term weight loss will require a lifestyle change. So many people look for a quick fix, appetite suppressant, or diet pill. But quick fixes are only temporary at best, if they even work at all. For long-term weight loss, you will need to change some of your old habits. The first step for your new lifestyle is to sign up for Eating Love, then commit to finding just one new low-calorie meal each day. Before you know it, you'll be losing tons of weight enjoying low-calorie breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals with Eating Love. Take the first step, create your Eating Love membership, and take control of your health and your happiness. Sign up today.